Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you for clicking on today's video, and I hope the title didn't scare you too much, but I'm just going to list out a few reasons of why the average car won't last to 150, 200,000, or even more miles. So I won't waste too much of your time, and I'll just pretty much end the intro here. I'll start with number one now. Also, yeah, I was going to end it there, but if you like it, like and subscribe, please do all that. Thank you. For number one, it's just babying the engine and driving it like a grandma, and just pretty much never letting it get above like 2-3,000 RPM, even on on the highway. It's just doing that can lead to a lot of carbon buildup. Whereas if you I mean, it sounds weird, like unexpected, but if you floor it and make the engine heat up and really push it, that can help destroy all the buildup just for free. So you don't need to get the engine taken apart and cleaned, and that's an expensive fix. But you can literally just help your engine last longer by driving a little harder, just pushing it above maybe 3,000 RPM on the highway. Just maybe just try and redline it once in a while, but don't constantly do that. Just get it up to temperature and then drive a bit more spirited. And then yeah, just do that on the highway once a month. That should probably help with the carbon buildup if you drive pretty slow for the rest of the time. Now, it sounds like the opposite of what I just told you with the last one, but just keep it and listen to what I say here. But it's when you're flooring your engine or flooring your car constantly from a standstill moment where you're going at a stop sign or a red light, just when you're not moving at all. Constantly flooring that is just really bad for your transmission. I mean, it's not good for your tires, but those are replaceable. But the transmission, that's not exactly replaceable. But if you drive really slowly and constantly baby your engine and just not do anything, it'll get carbon buildup. But if you floor it constantly from what's it called, just a standstill, you're gonna have transmission issues or just it might even start slipping prematurely. So it's just you want to be careful with that. But it's just on the highways where I'm saying you should that's your golden area to just clear the or the carbon buildup. But yeah, I mean, you can floor it from what's called a red light or whatever every once in a while, but it's just be careful with how often you do that. And make sure your car's up to temperature at all times when you do that. And for number three, this one's pretty typical, but it's not changing your oil at at a maximum of, I don't know, 5,000 miles. Some cars say 3,000, some say 5,000, some say 10,000, but do not listen to it if it says 10,000. I'd say whatever it says, just no more than 5,000 miles, that's when you should change it. Every 3,000 miles, if your car says to do that, I'd do that. But anything more than 5,000, just do it at 5,000. You can do it every 3,000, but just on a lot of modern cars, that's not necessary. But it's just problems kind of start after 5,000 miles. And also remember, start counting your idling miles because I think, hour idling is equivalent to 30 highway miles or something like that. So just add that up to if you're a high idler, just like to chill in front of your house or something. And for four, again, I'm kind of keeping a theme here with similar ones and twos, but this is just never changing your transmission fluid at all. I know there's one person watching this who probably is oh, you're supposed to do that, or I don't know, something along the lines of that. But I'd recommend changing it every eight, I don't know, 60 to 85,000 miles. I mean, do it on 100,000 miles at the most, but it's just if you do it after 130,000 or 150,000, it may actually make your vehicle perform worse than it would have just normally. So just be careful with that. And it's just it's not that expensive again compared to buying a new transmission. So I just bite the bullet. I mean, I don't want to use your credit card if you have to because it can wait a thousand miles or a few thousand miles. But just anything above 130,000 miles, I wouldn't change it. But if you're in that 60 to 80,000 mile range, I'd change it. And then make sure you keep changing it every 60 to 80,000 miles from now on. Now for number five, this is really just if you live in a state where they salt the roads, if you do live there and you don't wash your car's like undercarriage whenever they salt the roads, it can lead to a bunch of what's it called rust building up and just damaging your component, like undercarriage components. It can get with your steering rack. Just you don't want salt all over like your car. So I don't know, make some trip to a car wash, do it yourself if you have a hose, wait for a warm day, but try, like, maybe within, like, a few days of that initial snow and salt, I would try and get the car cleaned up. Because it's just cheaper than what the alternative is of having your components fall out. I mean, at most, you'll probably pay, like, $30 for the car wash, which is, it's kind of scam. But it's a lot more expensive than literally any undercarriage component or any steering component. So it's just bite the bullet and do it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I was going to say, you know what I mean. But if you really did enjoy this video, I hope you can like it or subscribe or just comment what you like about it. And if you dislike the video, feel free to leave a dislike. Please just let me know what you disliked about it in the comments, and I'll make sure to like change that if possible. I'll do it. Just if you have any advice to, or just anything you want to comment, just let me know. I enjoy reading them, and thank you for watching this long, and peace.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.